bogged down by busy after-school nights with hungry kids needing help with homework, we are here to help. More specifically, Coast Country's April Brilliant is here with a solution to soothe those chaotic super supper, all those things, all those things.
Yeah.
You're almost through that time, right?
I'm actually, this is the first year where I haven't had kids going back to what I say is normal school, like high school. No, they're both in college now. So it's weird,
So it's just piles of laundry.
It's, oh God, girl. You should see my house.
Been there.
Right now I have so much laundry. It's like multiplies,
Yeah,
it's crazy.
yeah.
Okay, but first we're talking about.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Us moms had
So I'm sorry, we had a moment there for a second. But regardless of whether we have busy kids activities or not, it's still nice to use the crock pot when things get a little bit cooler and we're getting ready to do that. So I found us a best slow cooker chicken fajita recipe.
Oh.
And this is like so easy that there really isn't like a perfect teaspoon kind of thing. It's just like use your own judgment. I mean, the whole recipe that I found was like this.
Play with it and figure out what you like.
Exactly.
Okay.
So it's going to be really easy. So I'm putting you to work today. So you're going to get to chop stuff.
Okay.
Please don't cut off any fingers.
See, now you're asking a lot. So what are we doing here?
Well,
what do we got?
We have 3 different types of peppers. The recipe only called for bell pepper, but I wanted to, add a little bit more color. So we have red, we have yellow, we have green, then we have 1 sweet onion,
Right.
and then the lemon is there for the end, just to squeeze a little bit of juice on.
Did she just say limon?
Did I say lemon?
I think she said
If I
lemon.
might have.
We heard what you meant.
We heard what you
All right,
meant.
so
exactly.
Jimmy's going to cut up what? You're going to cut up a pepper, and I can cut up another pepper. I was gonna say onion, but I have mascara on.
Oh, yeah.
I know, I thought the onions were going to be tough.
Yeah.
Jimmy, you might have to do the onion.
I'll take the onion.
Okay, hand me a pepper.
So what is it? Which pepper you want?
Pick one.
Okay. So what do you want to end up with here? The long, thin slivers?
Yeah,
or
that's what we're going to try for. We're
Okay.
going to. I think they're called what? Julienne is the how you.
Julienne,
Yeah.
yeah.
See, there you go.
I went to school with it. No.
Julienne or Julienne.
Yeah, I don't remember. It was way too long ago.
She probably chopped peppers like you're going to, though,
Okay.
and onions.
All right.
Okay.
Sure.
Now
what do you say?
yeah, there you go. Yeah, are you
Yes.
do you cook a lot at home?
Nope.
Nope. How about you, Lisa?
Wife won't let me. She knows better.
Nope. Me neither. But we're going to teach
And
you
here
how to
we
do it,
are.
Delmarva.
Show
Yeah, here we
Delmarva
are.
how to cook.
That's why this is perfect, because anybody can cook with these recipes,
No, listen, I like it when you put it that way.
Yeah,
Anybody
it
can
makes
do
it nice
this.
and simple.
Okay.
I mean, what could be easier than just, chopping up some stuff and throwing it in a pot?
You know what I do? I wait and I get home from work, and I wait for my husband to get home from work so he can cook me dinner.
That's always nice. I
That's
like
Isn't
that.
nice? That's what I
That's an
do.
arrangement right there.
I love that arrangement.
He hasn't complained to me.
My husband will do the grill. And
Oh,
then,
yeah.
But when it comes to, fall and winter time, I'm doing the crock pot stuff.
Yeah, no, I do stuff on the weekends in the crock pot. I will not touch the grill. I play stupid
Yeah.
because I'm like, you don't want me to. I don't know how to light that thing.
Am I just going?
Just go ahead and chop it like that.
What do
You
they call
good?
that? Strategic incompetence?
It's strategic
Okay.
incompetency.
Yeah, that's what
Yep.
that is. Yeah.
I tried to light the grill one time by myself, and you see this hair, right? So I got some hair, and I literally got
You and
my
me both.
face. So I'm like, I'm not doing that anymore. It's not
do it
meant for
again,
me to do that.
Your phone's ringing over there. You might want to grab that.
I swear I silenced it.
So this should be. Look, you're doing a great job.
Too
You look
thick,
like you
too
know.
thin?
No, I think it's perfect.
All right. Okay.
It's all going to cook down anyway, so
Oh, okay.
it'll
All right.
be fine.
it's
Now,
not-
the great thing about this recipe is you're going to be able to use it with whatever you like. Like, we're going to just eat it off the plate today. We're going to
Okay.
keep it simple, but you could put it in taco shells. You can put it in fajita shells or tortillas,
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You can also put it over rice or beans or
I'll
on
do that.
salad.
Okay.
I'm falling
So-
behind here. I realize you want this too, and I
No,
haven't
you're
got it
doing it.
done
I'm
yet.
not rushing you. I don't want you to lose
So
I
what
know,
do we put
Lisa's
in,
looking at
What
me.
do we put in the crock pot first?
Okay, we're going to put just a little bit of oil on the
Okay.
bottom, which I forgot.
Okay.
Okay, so just pretend that the oil is on the bottom.
All
okay,
right,
guys?
And
That's
then,
some
and
good
then what's
smelling
next?
oil right there.
Then we're going to put the peppers, I'll lay those across the bottom. So
Okay.
you can go ahead and start that out. It's going to look very colorful.
Yeah.
Hey, colorful. What about
And then
onions?
Then yep, we're going to put the onions. You can put those anywhere in there.
Okay.
But
All right.
the peppers and
So
onions
now
on
you're
the
waiting
bottom.
on me, is what you're saying.
Yeah, you're fine.
This sounds like a perfect time to go to commercial break and let Hop finish doing his job.
All right. Stick around. Delmarvalife will be right back.
So we've been busy giving our cutting boards a workout, chopping veggies during the break, and I cut the lime in half. I hope that was okay.
That's perfect. That's what you're going to need
Oh,
to
okay,
do.
good, okay. So we've got do we have everything in the crock? No, we've
Okay,
got chicken.
we have
have
with the
chicken
chicken.
here.
You said
Okay.
you wanted to throw the chicken in there.
I'll do the chicken since I've still got my
You
gloves.
got he's got the gloves
Right,
on.
so just lay it out on there?
Yeah, just lay it right across the top. You're
Okay.
going to cover up all your vegetables, your peppers and your onions.
Okay.
And this is, like I said, this is the super easiest thing ever. And it's so great because you can put it on a variety of things, salad, rice, beans, in your little taco shells or your tortillas.
Yeah.
So lots of ways you can do
Taco
it.
shells.
And then imagine this is one of those recipes that it would be great for leftover to have for lunch.
Oh yeah, a lot
yeah.
of times it tastes better the next day. I used to hate
Yeah, buddy.
leftovers, but then when I started doing the Crock-Pot, I'm like, you know what? It actually tastes better than
You
the
really
next
give
day.
time to get the
It
flavors and
does.
stuff
It
together.
kind of
Yeah.
all-
All right, speaking of flavors, is that
Yeah.
what goes next?
Yes,
Right.
we're going to put a few of these little things in. We're just going to
can
do
we-
some
No, I'll do it.
Are
chili
these-
pepper.
See, Lisa won't
Chili
let me
powder.
handle the chili powder.
You've
She
been
won't let
doing
me handle
all of the
pepper.
work, Jimmy. You did all the work
I know,
yesterday.
but that's the spicy
You're
stuff.
doing
You can
all
do
the
the
work
garlic.
today.
I get to do the
The
garlic.
garlic's important.
That's going to be fun.
Keep
There.
all the vampires away.
Yeah, I know.
That's it?
There, you happy?
Oh,
wow.
This is going to be good. Now we're
Again,
talking.
you can do as much
Now
chili
we're
pepper
cooking.
as you want. I'm sorry.
This is
I
going to
just
be
spit all over
great.
Lisa.
That's okay.
This
We do
is-
it all the time.
right.
You'd be surprised.
In goes the garlic.
Yeah, you can add
And
extra
you're going
garlic.
to do this one later, right?
Yeah. This one's going to cook today, and then people here will eat it, I imagine.
If there's
Darn
not
too.
too much chili powder in it.
A
Never
little
too
teeny
much
bit
chili
of
powder in
salt,
it.
And then that squirt of lime.
We'll just-
That's gonna
oh,
be
yeah.
your- That's going to be your finale there. So
Just
let's
kinda-
see you do that.
And the whole. Lisa stepped back. Did you
And
notice
for
that?
his
His grand
Final
finale. It's beautiful.
performance.
There you go.
Is that
And that's
enough?
all there is to it. Then you're going to put your lid on. You're going to cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours. That's it. Or you can do it on high for 4.
Okay, this goes back here.
Yep.
Gonna cook that up. And
Then
look
we
at
have the
this.
finished.
We have a finished one.
And there's that spoon that I need right there.
Oh, okay.
We'll dish that out to you guys.
There
no,
you
no,
go.
Here's the finished product we have here. It's beautiful and it smells really, really good. Now we're just going to see how it tastes.
There's only 2 plates here. Where's your plate?
I'm not going to eat it right now. I'll eat it later. I like to make sure you guys survive first. And then if you make it, then I try it later.
I see how you are, April
You
Brilliant.
know what?
All right.
Don't think this girl hadn't got it going on.
I'm not a dummy.
All right, just give me a little spoonful there, and
Okay, there you go.
we'll start on the good. Oh, come on, give me some of the
More-
peppers.
Okay, peppers.
You went to all the
Okay.
trouble to
Now
put
this
peppers in
one
there too.
that I made, that we made earlier
Yeah.
with Magic TV, doesn't have as many
As much.
chili pepper as you put in there. You put in like a whole case of chili pepper.
Well, I didn't. Lisa did.
I feel like I was pressured to put in all that chili pepper.
Pressure on the crock pot. Who would have ever thought?
That's funny.
Oh, wow, that's good. You can taste the lime. You can taste the lime.
See, that was your finishing touch
That's
that you just did
fantastic.
on our other one. That's going to
Wow.
be tasty with all that lime.
I like this.
I think it needs a little more
good.
chili pepper.
A little more chili pepper.
I'm joking.
Just a
No.
touch.
It's perfect. And you're perfect, April.
Every
Thank you
time.
so much for having me. I always have a
Every
good time.
And we love hearing you on Coast Country. When can we hear you
That's
again?
right. You can every weekday from 10 to 3. I'm on the air. You can listen online at coastcountry.com. You can get our free app, which is powered by our good friends here on Delmarva. And you can. It's just look for the Coast Country app. Our logo is a crab. I can't spit it out now.
It's a red, white, and blue crab.
Red,
That's
white,
it.
blue, red.
There you
You'll
go.
know it when
That's
you
it.
see it.
Actually, and we've got lots of things going on. Lots
What
of
do you got
fun
going on?
things.
What do you got? What's happening?
We have some ticket giveaways that we're going to be doing actually this week. We've got Russell Dickerson. He's going to be at the Fillmore in Silver Spring. We've got some big ones that we haven't announced yet that's coming later this fall that you're going to want to check out. But you can find out everything that we have happening online at coastcountry.com. So I highly encourage you to go check that out because there's one really big thing we have happening that you need to see.
Well,
Really?
there you have it.
Coastcountry.com. Check it out, my friends.
I'm
And
gonna check it out.
Thank you, April.
thank you so much.
Always good to
Appreciate
have
it.
you
Thank
here.